Hey everyone, and welcome to my aviation meteorology practice weather briefing video. Looking at the surface pressure chart, we can see there's a lot of things going on. Starting off in Canada, we can see there's a low pressure system with a stationary front spanning across most of the country. However, moving into Quebec, there becomes a transition to a high pressure system with a cold front. Looking at the United States, there is a couple of high pressure systems in the state of Washington and Oregon, with low pressure systems across California with a trough. From Nevada to the southern part of South Dakota, there is a continuous change between cold and warm fronts, with a stationary front in South and North Dakota. There are high pressure systems around Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah, and as you can see on the chart, there are low pressure systems on the outside of these high pressure systems. In our area of North Dakota, there is a warm front, followed by a low pressure system, which will bring in the chance for rain and lots of cloud coverage, as we can see today. This warm front will eventually transition into a cold front as it hits the states of North Carolina and South Carolina. Through the southeast, we do see some low pressure systems which bring in the potential for rain throughout the week, as well as high pressure systems in the Gulf of Mexico, as well as in the area of Washington, D.C. Thank you for listening.